Good morning. Okay, so we're going to go over running the report to get the average order value for each store, which is then going to be used for our commission sheets. So in RTI, from your 4-box screen, you're going to hit enter on 2A, and then it's number 4 for the print order list right here. And I'll send you a screenshot as well of this screen filled out. So you're just going to do it on your screen. You're going to do it by order date, and then you're going to do the first day of the month for last year and the last day of the month for last year. And then here for transaction types, you're only going to be doing the transaction types that would be like our local customers. So it's house, credit card, cash, house taken, credit card taken, cash taken, split taken, Apple Pay, and PayPal. And so that makes it so that we remove all the wire orders. Order statuses is CUT, which is completed, updated, and taken. Delivery methods is going to be all, so you just hit enter. Entry modes is all, so you just hit enter as well. And then store numbers, I'll show you here. This is how they should be broken down. So Norfolk, Crouch, Jones, Austin, San Antonio, etc., etc., etc. So I usually just write down this list every time. I have them in my planner or on like a scrap piece of paper. And so that's you have to run it once for each section of numbers, if that makes sense. So for each shop, you're going to run this report one time. So let's say we're going to do Norfolk 1, 4, 9, and 16. And then you do enter through all these. We don't need to have any information there, so it's just going to let you select all. And then yes, you're going to say, yes, I want summary page only. So then once you hit enter to run the report, your average sale is going to be right here, $71.32. And that's going to be the average sale for Norfolk for 2018. So then you just go back through, you'll hit enter to get through the report, and then you can just go back in and run the report again. So same thing over and over again, and then just recording what each shop's average sale is. And then from there, I typically will group each store. So I can even go back and go enter all the average order numbers for a previous month to kind of help you see how I got to that. Let me find one because it's literally just written in my planner in different spots. Okay, so like for September when I ran this, Norfolk was 72.47. The next shop was 94.38. The next shop's 91. The next shop's 100. The next shop's 97, etc. So what I did was go through and just group the stores into groups based on how close that average order value is. So for the last month, Norfolk was 72, and I grouped them with San Angelo, which was 71, and whoever 31 is, now I can't remember, which was 83, Houston, which was 65, and Spartanburg, which is 83. So those are pretty close. They're not spot on. And then what I would do is make the commission 95 because the higher shops are at 83, so that grows their average order value by $10. So you're always going to go at least $10 above what their current average order value is. So then the next group was $94, $91, $100, $97, $109, and $99. So then in order to commission for those shops, I probably would put it at $125. So that's their goal amount. And for that month, it looks like I just had 2 different groups of shops. So that means I just needed to create 2 different commission sheets for the Lone Star Bloom shops. Some months I create 3, some months I create 4. So it just kind of depends on the spread of numbers. But I am definitely trying to simplify it. So if you can do 2, go ahead and do 2 because it's just less work for you. So yeah, this is the screenshot of everything that needs to be filled in and what goes where. And then that average order value just shows up on that bottom right side once you've filled all this information in. So just let me know if you have any questions.